Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another based website. You can claim 4 cryptocurrency with one website and you can easily claim from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website name is Faucet. This website is already paid. This is the all payment they pay. Okay, this is 24 minutes ago, and this is the all dollars this website paid. This all is alright for right now because we didn't make any account. If you make, you can come here, watch, and you can find your earning. Okay, if you are new, just click sign up and you can sign up yourself. Right now I have account. I go to login myself. Okay, this website link you will find in description. Okay, I put my username and password. Just click I'm not robots, fill a little capture, and you can start your earning. Okay, I show you how you can start your earning. Okay, your account is successfully logged in. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the account. You can withdraw your funds, any cryptocurrency you want, you can earn from this website. Okay, just go to Faucet. Just you didn't found the ethereum because ethereum right now is on monetization, and you can find litecoin, dogecoin, any cryptocurrency you want you can claim. Just right now I want to claim litecoin. Just click claim litecoin. They pay you randomly litecoin 1 cent dollar. Okay, they pay me this much litecoin. Okay, and this is the all claims from all countries. America, this is the earning 3 seconds, and this is the all earning from all countries. Okay, why does people earn much more? Because they have referral links, and a lot of people have referral they can claim. Okay, this is the all 1 second before claiming from this websites. Okay, this is very high payment website and have a lot of people to in here. Okay, after 44 minutes they will be ready. You can claim another time. And app referral link, you can refer your friends or you can refer yourself. You can earn much more. This is your referral link, and you can start earning just clicking yourself, or you can refer other people to come join this website, and you can withdraw your funds. Okay, and you can withdraw your funds. This is the amount I earn from this website. This is the withdrawal. You can withdraw your amount if you the withdrawal. Okay, I put this much amount. This is the minimum withdrawal of litecoin. If you reach, you can withdraw your amount. This is 2-time claim. My litecoin reached in this much amount. Okay, and if you claim right now, I calculate for you. Okay, if you work 10 hour plus 60 this much minutes, and every 45 minutes if you claim, you claim 30 time. Okay, 30 time claim per day. If you 30 time claim per day, this website pay you this much litecoin. You can earn this much litecoin just in 1 day without doing any work. If you multiple to 30 days, you can earn this much litecoin, and you can withdraw your funds 7 times in this duration. Okay, and you can earn much more from this website. Just work 5 days, you can withdraw your funds in just 5 days. Okay, and you can receive your payment, and you can refer other people to come join this website and work it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This website link in description. Bye bye.